नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है शेफ वरुण इनामदार एंड वेलकम टू फूडगैज़म। आज के हमारे इस वीडियो में हम बनाने वाले हैं एक चटपटी सी रेसिपी जो है वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स, पालक पनीर। पालक हाई ऑन फाइबर, पनीर हाई ऑन प्रोटीन, दोनों का मिलाप है, अच्छा तो होगा ही। सबसे पहले देखते हैं इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स। फॉर द पालक पनीर वी रिक्वायर 2 cups of पालक प्यूरे, 1 cup of cottage cheese, a medium tomato finely diced, a small cup of cream, little bit of turmeric, a few red chilies, salt to taste, some garlic finely chopped, a spoonful of cumin, a few tablespoons of oil, a medium onion finely chopped, and little bit of water to adjust the consistency. सबसे पहले लेते हैं एक पैन में तेल गरम करने के लिए. So I'm taking a few tablespoons of oil. एक बार वो गरम हो जाए, then I'm going to add in a little bit of cumin and garlic. I'll make sure it turns lightly brown and then I will toast in some onions. So the oil is heated now. I'm just adding in a little bit of cumin. Let that crackle. As soon as that crackles, I'm going to add in the garlic. So here goes in the garlic. I'll just wait for that to brown lightly. As soon as that's ready, इसमें हम डालेंगे हमारे प्याज. बारीक कटा हुआ प्याज है, वैसे आप लंबा भी काट सकते हैं. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ मच बाइट यू वांट इन दिस रेसिपी. सो आई प्रेफर इट नाइसली फाइनली डाइस. अब जो हमारा गार्लिक लाइटली गोल्डन हो चुका है, आई एम एडिंग इन द चॉप्ड अनियंस एंड अलॉन्ग विद दिस आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रेक इन अ फ्यू रेड चिलीज. सो यू कैन कीप चेंजिंग इट एज स्पाइसी एज यू वांट दिस रेसिपी टू बी. आई प्रेफर 2, you can go with more. Keep stirring it, make sure the onions do not burn. ये रेसिपी वैसे बनाना बहुत आसान है, बस इसमें एक चीज़ है जिसका आपको ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि जो पालक का प्यूरे है वो आप प्री ब्लांच प्री प्यूरे करके रख दे. आपकी रेसिपी बस कुछ मिनटों में बन जाएगी. सो मेक श्योर यू रिमेंबर दिस टिप, अदरवाइज हाफ योर टाइम इज जस्ट गोइंग टू गो इन ब्लांचिंग एंड प्यूरिंग दिस. So now that you see the onions have lightly started browning, we'll just stir it for a few more seconds. जब वो हल्के से सुनहरे हो जाए, गोल्डन ब्राउन हो जाए, we shall add in the haldi and then move on to adding the palak. Make sure you do not cook the palak too much, otherwise it will start discoloring. वो brown होते जाएगा and then you will not get the bright green palak color that you intend the recipe to have. So ये हो गया है तैयार. इसके बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे थोड़ा सा टर्मरिक and I'm going to straight add in the palak puree. It will start bubbling. Make sure you are a little aware of that at this stage. Give it a stir. You can reduce the flame. Add in a little bit of water just to adjust the consistency. I'm adding in very little of water, maybe half a cup. Giving it a stir. And now to this recipe, I'm adding some salt. Salt is very imperative, but also at the same time, salt has to be less in this recipe because palak by nature is a salty leafy vegetable. So I'm just adding a little bit of salt at this stage. We shall taste it and adjust some later. So the moment this starts boiling, goes in the tomatoes. Stir that well. Make sure the tomatoes get cooked. Now that the palak has started boiling, I'm going to release the paneer cubes. Now these can be fried or these can be lightly blanched. I prefer it straight out of the dairy. Let it poach in this for just a minute or so and we are ready with this beautiful palak paneer. Now that the paneer has been simmering for a minute or so, I'm just stirring in a tablespoon of some dairy cream. Give it a stir. Make sure the cream gets incorporated in the palak paneer. So as soon as the cream goes in this recipe, give it a light stir, switch the flame off, and palak paneer is ready. Now that the palak paneer is ready, let's do the plating. We'll keep it nice and simple and very homely. All I'm going to do is take the pieces of paneer and just place them in the center of a plate. So I'm just going to start collecting all the paneer pieces. And now, next the palak goes on the side of the paneer, something like this. I'm going to take the spoonful of the cream and just drizzle it on top of this, and take a chili and just place it on here. There you go. So you have this beautiful palak paneer which is ready. If you have enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. This video was brought to you by Grah Shobha and One Network, and from the entire team at Foodgasm, One Network and Chef Varun Namdar. Very, very, very happy, pleasant year ahead.